Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you a super simple trick to remove an icon from your desktop without deleting it permanently or sending it to the recycle bin. It's a quick and easy method, so let's get started. First, find the icon you want to remove from your desktop. Right-click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Properties. If you select this delete icon, your app will be deleted and delivered to your recycle bin, which we don't want. So what we gonna do instead is click Properties, then a pop-up window menu will appear. Next, go to the General tab, which you'll find at the top of the window. Once you're there, look for an option called Hidden. Click on the checkbox next to it, and then hit Apply at the bottom. And that's it. The icon will disappear from your desktop, but don't worry, it's not deleted. And you can always make it visible again by adjusting the same settings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. And before you go, do you want to earn money using just your device and an internet connection? Then stick around, because on this channel, we talk about simple jobs like typing, data entry, and other underrated ways to earn money. Whether you're interested in financial literacy or looking to kickstart your earning career as a young professional, this is the place for you. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.